Hi everyone, Judy Medore here with the Oily Crafter, my husband Greg behind the camera. Today we did another project on the Glowforge, and this one here is called the Winter Scene Shadow Box Acrylic Coasters with Snap Together Holder. This design is done by Victor Havens at Excited Atom Design. So this was our first attempt at doing any acrylic as well as engraving. The case itself is just snapped together. I'm not going to take it apart, but I was going to show you how the acrylics are each engraved. And we thought they came out really nice. Got some fingerprints on them. Apologize for that. And then they just slide in for the holders. And as you put them together, as you can see, they just start making a scene. There's the next slide. Okay. It's really kind of cute that each one's a slide and how they go in. And then the back one, you have this cute little scene when you're all done.
Greg Medore here with the medium draft board settings here for the actual coaster holder. You can see we're just showing the Glowforge getting started on cutting that medium draft board. We use the settings there to cut it. Just again, the Glowforge progressing. This pattern was pretty straightforward. Didn't take a lot of time. As you'll see on board number 2, the engraving took a lot more time than actually cutting the MDF did. Again, Glowforge making easy work of this. Wonderful tool. Helps us to embrace our creative side and be able to provide gifts to people, and just helps us to find that balance in life of not constantly working but enjoying what we do. So here you can see the pieces, and we're assembling those pieces for the coaster holder. Then you can see the engraved acrylic coasters here and the holder put together there.
We'd like to thank you for watching our video today here at the Oily Crafter with our Glowforge project. And we hope if you like the content that you will subscribe to our channel, hit like below the video, and I hope you have a blessed day.